In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a surface in Civil 3D with points. By the end, you'll have a clean, triangulated surface built directly from the points already in your drawing, and you'll understand why each click matters. First, make sure the tool space is visible, because that's where the prospector lives, and prospector is the command center for surfaces. If you don't see it on the screen, press Ctrl+1. That toggles the tool space on and off. Within tool space, switch to the prospector tab if it isn't active. Prospector shows a tree of all the objects in your drawing, including points, alignments, and, what we need, surfaces. Now let's create the surface. In the prospector tree, find surfaces. Right-click on surfaces and choose Create Surface. In the dialog that opens, set the surface type to tin. Tin stands for Triangulated Irregular Network, and it's the standard surface type for representing ground because it connects your points with triangles to model slopes and elevations accurately. Give the surface a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later. Naming is especially helpful if you have multiple surfaces in one project, like existing ground and proposed design. When you're ready, click OK to create the empty surface container. With the surface created, it's time to feed it data. In Prospector, expand the surface you just named, then expand definition underneath it. Right-click definition and choose Add Points. Civil 3D will prompt you to select the points in your drawing. You can click them individually if you only want a few, or you can drag a selection window around a larger area to grab them all at once. When you've selected everything you want included, press Enter to finish. Civil 3D will immediately build the triangulation from the elevations stored on those points. Depending on your current surface style, you might see triangles, contours, or both. If you don't see anything, don't panic. Zoom to the area with your points and confirm the points have valid elevations. As long as the points contain elevation data, the surface will generate correctly. It's a good idea to keep your points organized and clearly labeled, since surface quality depends on point accuracy and coverage. That's it. You opened Tool Space, created a tin surface, and added points from the drawing to generate a model. This simple workflow is the foundation for grading, volume calculations, and corridor design later on. Save your work and you're ready to move forward with analysis or visualization using your new surface.